Hello YouTube, it's your boy Zach here. Just wanted to show you the unboxing of the PS4. So yeah, as you can see, 500 GB, jet black, gigabytes if you didn't know that. So maybe there will be in other colors, but for me black is the best. Alright, here's the back. You got your, I think that's Infamous 2, no, Infamous 3, Watch Dogs, I don't know, Killzone I think. Anyway, yeah, PlayStation Plus is included, and yeah, let's get unboxing. Excuse me a second. Alright, let me just take it out. Alright, this way around. Okay, now let's get started. This is the controller, very nice. You can see it properly. It's got the charger here, I think, yeah, LED light. Yeah, very nice. This to the other controller, I think the PS4 is way better, but yeah, let's get moving. This is the Welcome to World of PlayStation quick startup guide. There you go. This is the charger that fits in here. This is the headphones that you can put in here, if you can see that. Alright, it's the power cord. No, yeah, probably. This is the famous HDMI. So yeah, it's all good. Alright, I'm not gonna get it out because basically I'm gonna just leave it fresh. So yeah, it's the PS4. Alright, thank you for listening. See you later.